This is a tutorial for your inverted pike. So we're going to talk about it from the floor first. You should definitely already have a Gemini to complete this move because that's the entry we're going to go from. So let's take it down to the floor and let's just talk about it for a second. So let's imagine we've done our invert. So we're upside down. So we've gone to our chopper, we've gone to our outside leg hook, which is there. So just imagine your armpit is in place and then that hand is just going to go beneath the bum. And then from there, this leg that's free is going to come back and you take it all the way into the thigh as much as possible. And then from there, you extend that leg as much as you can. Use the outside hand, which is the free hand, to hold either on the leg or like along the shin or on the foot, depending on your flexibility. And then if you get that far, this leg joins. So that's what the pike looks like. And then to come out of it, you just hook back on, release, and either sit up or come down. So the hand on the hip, you kind of want it just like at the side of your bum, and that's probably the most comfortable position when you've got the back of the armpit contact with the pole. So that's really important for that move. You have got a lot of grip on your thigh, but it just makes you feel a bit more secure in the beginning stages when you start this move. So let's try it from, I'll show you it from an invert and just talk about that elbow a little bit more. So I'm going upside down into a Gemini. So from there, upside down, lift through the chest, find the armpit, bring this knee back. So I'll just turn a little bit more so you can see you've got that hand there at the side. This leg is going to extend, I grab the foot, and then if that feels okay, I take the top leg off. And then from there, I'll just spin around again. Lift the leg back on, find the hook, and then you can hook this bottom leg over the top, put the hand back on the pole, and then reach to sit up. Come out. Okay, so the hand on the side is really important just to get back grip, and then just fold the legs towards your chest. Okay, so go play with this move.